What is up guys, welcome to my very first episode of my moto vlogging. Yes, I decided to do moto vlogging. I actually wanted to do it like 8 years ago when I was riding my RS125, but I guess I didn't have the time or motivation to do it. I guess now during the pandemic I got so bored and I needed a hobby, so here I am making a moto vlog. This is the very first episode, so this episode I'm gonna actually just introduce to you my bike, and the things that I'm gonna do to it. So this right here is the Ducati Diavel 2011. So this is the Gen 1 of the Diavel. Let me get the camera right. Yeah. So this is actually the Gen 1 of the Diavel, and I got it at a very decent price, a very good price. Bought it, renewed the COE, and it came with a lot of accessories. The mileage is very low for a 10-year-old bike, and I'm really happy with it lah. So, but there's one thing that I'm actually not happy. There's something that I'm not happy with, is actually the outlook of it. It looks very basic, very stock. So I'm gonna do some changes to it. I'm gonna do some wrapping. I'm gonna change the rim color. I'm gonna change the handlebar, change the mirrors, and definitely change where the IU unit is right now. So I'm just gonna share the journey with you guys. And another good news is I bought the Ruroc helmet, Ruroc, I don't know how to pronounce it, Ruroc helmet, and the DJI Osmo Action camera, and also a microphone, so I can put it on my helmet and actually record while I'm riding to do a moto vlog. So in this episode, it's just basically me showing you what I'm going to do to the bike. So here's a montage of the bike before I do any form of like modification. Alright guys, so let me just go through with you some of the changes the previous owner actually made. So one of the most important to me, this is very important, the exhaust, the aftermarket exhaust. This is Ramus slip-on, and look at that. This is a very rare exhaust to be on a Diavel, and the only bad thing about this is it's too near to the foot peg that it will actually melt my pillion's shoe. So I had to put on this heat shield to prevent my pillion shoes from like melting. So as you can see, the previous one also did some changes. This is carbon fiber. He changed this straight thingy, the other side also. Oh yeah, and this is also aftermarket. And one of the things that I really love about the bike is actually this saddle right here. So you can actually attach another bag here, so it's like some sort of a touring bag, which is very helpful if I need to, like, you know, run some errands or what. So other than that, it's pretty stock. I changed this myself. It's reliever, normal stuff, and yeah. Alright guys, so I took out the saddle already, and I actually popped on the single-seater seat right there. And now it's time to actually send it for a wash and then to wrapping. Alright guys, so the bike is currently at the workshop wrapping right now, and I actually got a spare bike from Vroom Racing with the P plate, and I was using this shit and I was riding just now. Everybody was looking at me like poser. So yeah, do check them out, Vroom Racing. They have like 2B, 2A class 2 bikes. They had an R6 that I really wanted to take, but you know, I was like, it's okay, just settle for the Duke. Duke is an amazing bike. I love this bike. Do comment down below what's your favorite bike and what was your first bike. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and if you don't like the video, do leave a constructive criticism and I will improve on myself. And see you guys on the next episode. Ciao.